Your Chemistry Diva here, live in the studio with Informa's video blog series called What's In. Join me.
It's trending news from the cutting edge. What's up? What's new?
What's in?
With the Diva.
The Chemistry Diva. The Chemistry Diva.
So, Andre, as you know, we do a lot of workshops for our clients, particularly around launches. Can you tell me a little bit about your experience in designing meeting or event apps?
I can think of one experience, and this app, well, it's hard to call it an app. Well, what I had to do was make, an application that ran on a 65-inch touchscreen, as if it was an iPad. Now that's a challenge because at the time when I did this, iPad had just came out. It was for a trade show, RSNA. This is like a huge healthcare trade show. Now, this app allowed users to, doctors to go up to the, display, scan their badge with an RFID reader. The app had to somehow detect that their badge was scanned, and then, a pop-up would, you'd get this pop-up and it would say, "Welcome, Dr. So-and-so," and it'd have points. You have this XYZ points for participating in so-and-so. They had event bags traveling around with, so if you went to another station, you do the same thing. Scan your badge, this thing would pop up. You'd have, content that was specific to you.
Sure.
And for, navigating different, content in the display, you'd gain points. In that application was also 3 games. There was a cube game that you had to, you manipulate this cube to kind of put together clinical images on a cube. Every side was a puzzle. I think
did you develop that game yourself?
Yeah, I did. I did the whole thing, and it was ridiculous. It was 3 months, hardcore programming.
And why do you think the leaderboard concept is so popular right now?
I'm not sure why it's popular, but if you look at this in terms of, what a game is, it's the incentive to kind of beat those scores, So the incentive, it gives you some kind of way to rate your involvement with this game. And I think looking at it on a fundamental, as just from a game point of view, it gives you a way to rate your participation against maybe the people in your social connections. I think my experience just developing games in general kind of helps me look at some of the app development in a different way. I worked on games, like I worked on slot machine games and, like Wheel of Fortune slot machine games and a bunch of different games over at Sony. And I did a lot of game development in my indie, exploits. So I think when I look at enterprise applications, I'm looking at the overall picture. I'm not looking at it for the category that it's in. First, I want to make it a good app. Then I want to say, what way can we interact with users? And then, then I say, what components are available to us that we can take advantage of on the device itself. Can we use infrared? Can we use Game Center? Can we tie this in to the accelerometer? Maybe a user wants to tilt this way and do something in the application. Knowing what is available to you will allow you to actually gamify some of these things. The essence of a game is to bring your social network together, is to kind of engage people and try to make you want to play even more and kind of keep you there.
And that's a wrap. Your Chemistry Diva signing off for now. Until next time, be sure to stay connected with What's In at informatp.com.